Hey guys, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, La Lova Lova. The song is Lova Lova, the artist is TIWA Salvage, and the choreography is LATOYA LTOYA. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end. So just click on the video and it'll take you right directly over to the instructional. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. 4 days of line dancing, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now and you can book your room. Go over to our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com for all the details and also to register and book your room. And I would like to say thank you to everyone who have registered already. I see y'all guys, and thank you for booking your room. And here we go. Bring your body, put it all on me. Oh, it's all I wanna see. We don't need no referee. All we need is practice. They say I don't get too high. Any how you like, they do my dear. So there's no cost my life. Say you will treat me well. Give me the love and the kiss and say, no, say I got a wine and well. Make you no believe it, no, inside well. Oh, yeah. minute. Lova Lova. Make sure you check out the line dance, 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.